Good morning, teacher. Today I'm going to talk about first language acquisition. And to start, we can say that first language acquisition is the first language that you learn since you are a baby. So it will be depends on the country that you're born. Because if you're born in El Salvador, you will learn Spanish. If you're born in USA, you will learn English. If you're born in Brazil, you will learn Portuguese. So it will be depends on the country that you're born. And to start with the topic, our first language acquisition, we learn since we're babies, because when we are babies, we start to say the early words that can be father, mother, eat, and apple, and some words that we can say because we listen and we repeat them. For example, in my case, my mother said that she told me to say mother or father, so I started to learn that words because I listen and repeat. And when you started growing up, you have the perception to the words, and you start to relate the things. Because when I said mother or father when I have 2 or 3 years old, I didn't know the meaning, and I didn't know that my mother was my mother and my father was my father, because I couldn't relate the things with the words that I said. So when you're starting growing up, you started to make question about it, and you started to relate the things. For example, you know that your mother is your mother and not your father, and you know that eat means that you want to eat something and not you want to play. Or when they said go to sleep, so you know that words you related with the thing. To continue, we have to know how to get language. For that, we have to know how distinguish sounds, because as children and as first language acquisition, we didn't pay attention to that. We just speak, we just say the word, we just repeat, and we don't think about it. But if we think about that, we have to make emphasis in the word or the vowel A, because A can have 3 different sounds. For example, in the words arm, black, and away, you see the vowel A, but you don't know that in the 3 words, the vowel A has different pronunciation. So we have to distinguish as we are growing up, but as children we just say the word and we don't pay attention to that. Then we have the word she, check, vision, and large. We don't know that they have different pronunciation, and we don't know that they have similar pronunciation, because in the first word like she and check, we see the S and H, and we see the CH. So they are different, but we don't think about it. So to continue, modulating words is when you as children didn't pay attention to the words, and we construct words as your manner. For example, you can say the word exactly and you don't pay attention how to produce grammar because you can say a pizza I. So someone will understand what you want to say, but is not grammatically correct. Or you can say pizza eat I. So as children, we don't know that. And that's it.